Spika wa Mbunge Nene Wetangula Niwaleana na Uneeni wa Musumbi Dr. Ruto Kana Nthini Nzama Kivathukanyo Sya Mbunge Kwina Ulusani Wetangula Ayasya Ndeto Sya mana Iembikiithye Nene yakwe Mombasa Wetangula ni wakulia yumbe kuikithya wikiku wa Mbunge Ayasya kana bate wikiku atongo imetonya kutongosya undu bailete Angela
Nene ava kauntini ya Mombasa kavindani kala maambisya kikalo kimwanya cha kunena siamio ila mavanite kumenene ya Mbungeni ayumbe matongoni Spika Wetangula Niwaleana wisililo wakana ayumbe kuma komiti Kivathukanyo nimeko na siana Ulusani tiwa wendi uvanite kumatunga na itina kiuthukumi na kumanangia isietwa.
We are all aware of the recent public discussions and allegations about solicitation and receipt of monetary inducements to consider and pass legislation. In my view, these remain allegations, but must ignite serious soul-searching on us and the nation as a whole. Like I remarked at my inauguration, I once again wish to emphasize the sacred calling of leadership. As leaders and members of this honorable house, we are bound by the responsibilities and guiding principles of leadership and integrity enshrined in Article 73 of the Constitution.
Yua mama ayumbe ni makulia ukosi uvikie kumelua kwa ala makukonyo na sieko sya Ulusani vandu va kutula muti ayumbe onthe.
The burden of proof belongs to the person who is coming up with allegations. He who alleges must come with proof. That's all. So if we are shown any proof, then we will accept. But if it is just mere allegations, we will ignore as Parliament. And we will do our work.
So we will do our work. If of course there are snakes amongst the wolves, then the due process of law will take its course.
Yeah. Kavindani kauyu ayumbe ni makulo kuthukuma wia wo kwa umelu vala ingi mone kama itetea vanene kinando cha NGCDF na kila makuetekana nikithitwo kiitetea vanene NND na muno amanyiwe ala avinyeye.
As leaders, we must maintain the momentum. We must keep the focus and keep the vision and maintain that vision to be able to realize the goals that we have set out to. And for us, the Honorable Speaker, the principal goal is to make sure that we deliver to the people of Kenya what we did promise them individually as members of Parliament when we ran for office.
So CDF is not a share of shareable revenue between counties and the national government. CDF is a share of shared revenue on the side of the national government. So the governors and their COG have absolutely no issue and no interest in CDF. It is not their money. We have already shared the money vertically, and the national government says our unit of focus for development includes the constituency, and we'll put aside this money to go to the constituency to do A, B, C, D. So we want to make everybody who has doubts about CDF understand that it is not an affront to devolution, it is not in competition with devolution, it does not undermine devolution, it is a national government activity.
Livoti ya vilingi wa mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa nita wa Angelina Mose.